Hello, this is Pragya Shah, and today we are going to do another book review. We are going to review Ausf Sayeed's MCQ book. So, yeah, let's start with the contents and the positive and the negative portions about the book. Sorry about my voice, I am having a sore throat. So, this is quite an old book, and a very, I would say this is a grandfather book. But this is one of the very good books for MCQs. So, general geology and geotectonics, physical geology and geomorphology, crystallography, geochemistry, mineralogy, optical mineralogy, paleontology, principles of stratigraphy, petrology, and Indian geology. These all topics which I have mentioned separately are mentioned as short notes. Okay, so there are short notes present. Now, I will not recommend people to read these short notes holistically and to follow each and every information given there very dedicatedly, because a lot of times these things can be mistaken. These are like wrong. Okay, so rather than these short notes, stick to your own textbooks and yeah, that's it. Then we have the objective questions. First chapter we have general geology and geotectonics. So geotectonics or geodynamics, these things are very similar, and these are sometimes written with general geology. So general geology and geotectonics are clubbed up together and then written as a chapter. Then we have physical geology and geomorphology. Then we have crystallography separately, mineralogy, which is basically the descriptive mineralogy here, and optical mineralogy. So mineralogy is divided into three parts: crystallography, descriptive mineralogy, and optical mineralogy, which is a good thing. Geochemistry, structural geology, paleontology, principles of stratigraphy, Indian geology, igneous petrology, sedimentary petrology, metamorphic petrology, economic geology, applied geology has exploration methods, which is mineral exploration, mineral processing, mining geology, and mineral economics, hydrogeology, engineering geology. Okay, there is no remote sensing here. Questions based on assertion and reasoning. Now these type of assertion and reasoning comes in GSI prelims, but not much in GATE or JAM. But yeah, it is a kind of a question. The good thing is there are civil services papers. Okay, so there is solved and unsolved, both civil services prelims paper and some ONGC paper, CSIR paper. Okay, so basically UPSC civil services examination, it's not CGAC, geoscientist examination, this is civil services examination. So civil services also have geology as an optional paper, and for that reason people who are doing wants to do civil services and wants to opt for geology as an optional paper, you can refer to this book, refer to the latest edition of this book. I have the old edition of this book. This is my father's book, so I have got the old edition. This is the this is a reprint of 2014. You will get a new one. Okay, and get the new all the updated civil service geology papers in Ausf Sayeed. So that's it for today. Stay tuned and ta-da.